Tea is more than just a drink. It's an experience, a ritual cherished by people around the globe. Today, let's delve into the art of making the perfect cup of tea. First, start with water. It's essential to use fresh filtered water for the best taste. Avoid distilled or previously boiled water. Bring the water to a boil, but be mindful. Different teas require different temperatures. For black tea, aim for a roaring boil, around 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Green or white teas are more delicate, needing cooler water around 160 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Now choose your tea. Loose leaf is often recommended for a fuller flavor, but tea bags are convenient. Measure approximately 1 teaspoon of loose tea per cup, or 1 tea bag. For herbal teas, you might want a bit more than this. Next, preheat your teapot or cup by swirling some hot water inside. This ensures the temperature remains consistent when steeping. Steeping time is crucial. Black tea generally requires 3 to 5 minutes. Green tea, on the other hand, should steep for 2 to 3 minutes to avoid bitterness. Herbal teas can steep longer, from 5 to 7 minutes, as they don't easily become bitter. Pay attention to these times to extract the best flavor without overdoing it. While the tea is steeping, let's talk about additions. Milk is a classic companion to black tea, particularly if it's robust like Assam or English breakfast. Cream might be a bit heavy, and if you're using milk, add it to the cup before the tea to prevent curdling. For green or white teas, lemon or honey can enhance their natural flavors without overpowering them. Finally, the drinking vessel. It might seem trivial, but it can influence the pleasure of tea drinking. A porcelain or ceramic cup retains heat well and is a traditional choice. Now, your tea is ready. Sip slowly and savor each note, allowing the aroma and warmth to wash over you. With practice, making tea becomes an art, a moment of tranquility in your day. Whether you prefer your tea light and delicate or strong and bold, the perfect cup is one that suits your personal taste, brewed with care and attention. Enjoy your tea journey.